Welcome to Doha, guys.
Stop the visitors to enter the airport after a certain limit. The sun was just rising in Doha and we were landing. How was it? Not only. Oh my God, the shopping.
आपने फिर ब्यूटी टिप मिस्टेक कल करता होगा आज के लिए रोका गया should have stopped for today then you could have bought
I've shopped a bomb. I've spent a bomb. Now I can't afford to spend even a penny. अभी मैगी खरीदने को भी सोच रही हूँ.
like I told my wife don't tell them I'm here करके
So why is it Doha?
हाँ like Doha in the sense Indian ही है यहाँ पे काम करता है their parents are here only they are also going to retire next year.
They are government employees.
हाँ my father-in-law works for Qatar gas company तो वो आ जाएगा अगर my wife कि मैं आ गया but I told her not to tell अभी update होएगा did you tell her now
She might tell.
then I will message you if I'm free in the afternoon otherwise I'm sorry I can't do it
What खाते रहा today?
हाँ
What खाते today?
खातेदारी
नहीं
With son-in-law's guest.
कैश डिसाइड कर दिया जैसे जैसे होता है ना पुराने खेती बाड़ी करता है जिसका वो या फिर किसी सोसाइटी को सिक्योरिटी टाइप करता है वो खिलाता है नॉन ब्राह्मण लोगों का काम वो नहीं है मेरा काम इस टू गॉड का पूजा करना है.
Oh wow, that's so nice.
It's a pretty restaurant. Second floor. वो हमें लगा है.
Bye. See you in the break. नहीं बिल्कुल we'll be waiting for you. Bye. Bye. Oh, it's me. अरे आ जाओ. वेट मत करो. ला 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 ला.
एक तो मेरे को ठंडी लगी है वो भी बहुत जोर लगी.
बहुत ही बेकार सा व्यू क्यों दिख रहा है मुझे.
तो क्या आपको यहाँ से 7 आइलैंड दिखेंगे?
शारजा वाला व्यू वाज नाइस.
इसी में बंद कर.
Hey guys, I'm going out to explore Doha. Like one of my crew and captain. Not captain. Captain, I'm not sure is he going or not, but FO is going. So that's the outfit. I'll show you right there. That's how I am looking today. Light nahi hai. I'll show you out. Let's go. Captain, F4, L2 and 2 of the crew didn't come. The Villagio Mall. pretty here. The sky. And this is the food court all around. MacD and some of the shops which I don't know. Villagio right there. Can I get a pesto or a lotus please?
Sorry?
Can I taste this lotus please? Thank you.
Founders Tea.
Thank you. Guys, I'm having this founder's favorite Cold Stone Creamery. And Captain is giving us a treat. Let's try this founder's favorite. How it is. And she opted lotus. What's your What's your name? Like the name of the
Lotus.
Okay. So you have to give the feedback.
Thank you.
How's that? Yeah, amazing. I'll try this. Any feedback? It's amazing. Even I'm liking it. Alright guys, I'm back. एक्सप्लोर करके दोहा बहुत ही कम एक्सप्लोर किया क्योंकि मेरी तबीयत इज़ नॉट गुड एंड बिकॉज कैप्टन वांटेड अस टू गो समवेयर एल्स आल्सो लाइक ऑफ कोर्स ही इज़ गोइंग आउट बट देन आई एम नॉट गोइंग बिकॉज आई एम नॉट वेल इवन माई क्रू इज़ नॉट वेल सो या दैट्स द एंड ऑफ टुडे लेट्स सी व्हाट वी आर डूइंग टुमारो. It's even more tastier than the gajar ka halwa. It's like very